of course, the developments in concrete. I think still most of the companies are 3D printing with unreinforced material. Like there are some examples, for example, of the university in Eindhoven, technical university, that's printing with this with this reinforced string, that they put on every layer of the print. But I think also several companies are already diving into adding fibers to it, so that you can also have a tensile strength with the concrete, but most of them are using very short fibers. So it's mostly for hoisting good, but not for bigger tensile strengths. Simultaneously to that, you also have to innovate your pumping system when you want to use larger fibers. So I think that's gonna help especially the 3D concrete printing industry a lot. If they can print with larger fibers, then we can also make the product, I think, more reliable. But we can also make designs more challenging. So that the structures are not only designed for compression, but they can also take a certain bending moment or a tension. Or some tension in it. I think that's going to help, I think, the industry also a lot.
So if somebody wants to design a model to be 3D printed in concrete, what advice would you give them to guide them towards success?